Hi guys, welcome again to this YouTube channel. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Invite your friends. You can comment, you can like, but ensure you subscribe. Once you subscribe, then turn the notification bells on because you'll be getting subsequent fresh updates. Because this training is very elaborate. It's easy to understand. Now, I want us to do something here. We have already learned about background, so I want us to go to text. How do you add text? And text here, just come and click on letter A. As I told you, when you click on letter A, it gives you text, or you can click up there, that plus button, then it will give you text. So you can just edit the text. Maybe you want to add the word, let us say you're creating a banner or a post of Christmas. Just write Christmas, just write Christmas like that. Just put Christmas like that. Which other word will you be using for Christmas? Maybe you want to use a word like Merry Christmas. Just come. So what you'll do, my friends, you just come and copy that and select that Christmas. Then you copy it because you don't want to keep on writing. You just select it like that. So this Christmas, I want it to be in bold. So you just come and drag down there, going on the right side. You will find where it's certain style. When you click on style, now it will give you options of putting it in bold, italics, and underlining. You see, so I'll remove underlining and just put in bold and italics. Then I'll click on it like that. Also, I want to change the font. When you want to change the font, you just click on font. Then you come to now when you click on font, the Pixel app has fonts inside. We have a lot of fonts here, but also you can add your own fonts. In the next lesson, I'll be teaching you how to find the fonts, maybe on the Google. And we have a lot of fonts. We have the calligraphy fonts, you have the normal fonts, you have the italics, you have the fonts where you can use for typography or any other font. So for me here, I'm having fonts of the Pixel app. Also, I also have fonts which I downloaded. You see, they are here. Purelink solutions fonts, they are here. A lot of fonts here. We have italics fonts here. Now these fonts are not found on the Pixel app, but now when you just go to Google and download, you just get it directly. So we have the fonts here. Now when you go to recent, is where your recent fonts are. For example, you just used a font recently, then they are just here. So for me, I'll come and click on meme font because I want that Christmas to be really seen. So when you click on Christmas, you see now you have put it into italics. You see there's some part of S which is not being seen, which is not visible clearly. So you just come and click on Christmas, then you'll scroll downwards, then you'll try and drag the task pen where you'll go to padding. You see padding here, padding just here. When you click on padding like that, now it will give you options of making that S visible. Just left pad like that, also right pad. When you do like that, you'll see now Christmas is visible. Now this Christmas also, I want, graphics, you just be innovative and creative. So I'll come and copy it, then I'll come and put that Christmas. I'll try and increase the size, then I'll come and change the color, as I told you how to change the color yesterday. After changing the color, then this Christmas I'll also increase the size, then try and put it like that and put it on top of that red Christmas. So let me just try and make sure that the sizes are almost equal. So I'll use that 61. Let me use 60. Then this one I'll use this one I'll use 59 like that. You see, now you have your Christmas there. Now this one you can just lock it because you know that that's what you wanted. So you just come and lock the first two Christmases because they are the ones that are they really the ones? No, they are these ones, the first two. Let's come and lock them. Are we on the same page really? Let me just try and see. So let me just reduce the Christmases so that they should not distract us, because I see they're distracting us. So I just come and reduce the Christmases. So we only have two, then we lock them. Once you lock them like that, what else do we need in Christmas? And my friends, this Christmas now, you are sure that this is the Christmas that you want to use. Ensure that you are sure. Once you are sure, then you just come and join them. you just come and join them. You just go to the task pane where you are having the lock buttons on the unlock or the padlocks. When you just click on it, then you come down there. There's some command there where we're having a tick, also an X. So you just come and click on it. Then we have options of selecting. You just select on the 2 Christmases. Now down there, there's there's a third button there on the lower side where you're having the position of binding them, or of mixing or putting them together. So just come and merge them. When you just come and merge them, now Christmas will be one. You see, now you only have one Christmas. So you come and make sure that Christmas is where you want it to be positioned. Then you just come and lock it. Now, which other word do we need? In Christmas we have the word Mary. So Mary we can write using italics or using calligraphy. So you just come and write Mary in normal fonts. Then you go to your font gallery. Then just try and change the font. For example, when you go to fonts, then let me use the fonts of Pixel Lab so that you can understand. But as I promised you, in the next lesson I'll be giving the how to download the fonts on the Google. Now you see, once you write Mary, you'll come and try and do some editing. Just come to color, click on color, then you try and change the color. Let me try and use blue. Let me just use yellow. No, let me not use yellow. Let me use that blue, that one there. Okay, when you click on that, now there's something else that I want us to learn. When you click on this, now I want us to add some features. You can either add stroke. You see, when you add stroke, how it changes, or you come and add shadow. When you add shadow, you see how it changes. You can also come and add inner shadow. Now inner shadow, you can play with it. You can either add a color like that, then you see how it changes, or you can come here, reduce the blur radius, then you try and offset. When you offset X to right, you see how that Mary changes. Or when you offset Y, let me try and offset Y to the right hand side, or offset Y to the left side. You see how it changes. You can even change the color of offset. You see, once you change the color of offset, it changes Mary to another very, very, very perfect color. You see, let me use green, let me use yellow. Yeah, when you click on that, you see how it changes. Now any text that you do, maybe there's a text that there's a font that you did and it's still appealing to you. It's not a must that every time you need that font you need to go back to the Pixel Lab package of fonts. You just click on that text, then you come to styles. Remember, you are on text, meaning that your command down there should be at letter A. So you just come and click on styles, then you go to save. Once you save it, it will now tell you to save the current text as new style. Once you save it, so next time when you just need it, you go to styles, then you go to browse. When you go to browse, then you just try and select it. You see, I have here some fonts here which are already saved. You see, when I just click on browse, you see how they are coming out. Now you see Mary will now come out in another way. So thank you so much, my friends. You can subscribe. Next we shall be learning about adding your own fonts. Maybe you have downloaded fonts that you like. Also we shall be learning about adding icons, so now making our banner or our poster or our flyer look more wonderful. This is just the introduction part. Thank you so much. May the Lord bless you. God bless you so much. I love you guys. Subscribe, invite your friends, and we'll meet next in the next lesson. Have a blessed day. Remember our quote that we started with: when you sleep hungry in Hungary, do not be angry. Yeah, don't be angry. I know maybe there's something you did not get which you expected. Don't be angry. Just thank God and say, oh God, today's another day again. Help me. Thank you so much. I really love you guys, and have a fantastic weekend.